Do you walk every day? Or did you start and then give up? Did you promise yourself this year would be different? That you'd get in shape, but now it's August and you still don't fit into your favorite pants? Many people think walking is too simple and doesn't offer many benefits. But in this video, you'll see that walking can surprise you with its incredible advantages. Who knows? Maybe this will be the motivation you need to stick to your New Year's resolution. All you need is a pair of sneakers and you're ready to go. Walking is free, the most democratic exercise there is. It's low impact, making it perfect for any age, and you can do it every day. It clears your mind, strengthens your body, boosts your energy, and even improves your self-esteem. If walking could be bottled and sold as medicine, it would be considered a miracle drug, and you'll see why. Before we dive in, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss our health tips, and hit the notification bell. It's also important to share this knowledge with your friends and family, because when it comes to health, it's always worth sharing. Stick around until the end, as I'll give you practical tips to stay motivated and make walking part of your routine. So, do you enjoy walking or have you been feeling a bit lazy lately? Where are you from? Drop a comment below. 10 benefits of walking every day. What changes will happen in your body if you walk daily? Remember, at the end, I'll share 5 tips to help you stay motivated and keep up the habit. 10th benefit, walking can make you younger. Believe it or not, walking briskly every day can reduce your biological age by up to 16 years. Researchers from the University of Leicester in the UK found a direct link between daily walking and the length of your telomeres, which protect your DNA. Think of telomeres like the plastic tips on the ends of shoelaces. Over time, they shorten, and when they're too short, your DNA is left exposed, leading to cellular aging. Regular brisk walking helps lengthen your telomeres, effectively turning back the clock. But remember, for this to work, it has to be brisk walking, not a leisurely stroll where you stop to admire the scenery. 9th benefit, walking can improve your vision. Walking can prevent 4 major eye conditions, including glaucoma. Walking helps reduce pressure inside the eyes, protecting your retina and cells. It can also reduce the risk of macular degeneration, which leads to blurred vision. Studies show that walking 3 times a week can lower your risk of macular degeneration by up to 70%. Additionally, walking can delay myopia, nearsightedness, and prevent cataracts, which are clouding of the lens of the eye. If you're walking in the sun, remember to wear sunglasses with UV protection to safeguard your eyes. 8th benefit, walking can reduce your risk of breast cancer. A study by the American Cancer Society found that women who walk 7 or more hours a week reduce their risk of breast cancer by 14%. But it's not just breast cancer. Walking also reduces the risk of 12 other types of cancer. If you have risk factors for breast cancer, such as family history, make walking a daily habit. 7th benefit, walking boosts your immunity. A study of over 1,000 people found that those who walked for at least 20 minutes a day, 5 times a week, had almost half the sick days compared to those who exercised once or less. And when they did get sick, their symptoms were milder. Walking outdoors also boosts vitamin D production, and if you're in a green space, the fresh air activates natural killer cells, which fight infections. 6th benefit, walking improves mental health. Feeling anxious or down? Go for a walk. Walking increases endorphins, boosting your sense of well-being, and it also increases BDNF, a molecule that promotes the growth of brain cells and improves mood. A study published in JAMA Psychiatry showed that just 1 hour of walking could reduce the risk of major depression by 26%. 5th benefit, walking enhances memory. Walking can increase the growth of neurons, particularly in the hippocampus, the area of the brain responsible for memory. It also improves sleep, which helps consolidate new memories. Need to study for an exam or remember something important? Walk first. 4th benefit, walking improves cardiovascular health. Regular walking can lower your risk of heart attacks, strokes, varicose veins, and thrombosis. It helps reduce blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and improves overall heart function. Those who walk about 10,000 steps daily reduce their risk of cardiovascular disease by nearly 40%. Third benefit: walking regulates blood sugar levels. Walking improves insulin sensitivity, reducing your risk of type 2 diabetes, gestational diabetes, and even helps manage prediabetes. A short 10-minute walk after meals can significantly improve your blood sugar control, making it an essential activity for diabetics. Second benefit: walking enhances mobility. As we age, mobility becomes more critical. Walking every day helps strengthen muscles, build bone density, and improve joint health. It even helps prevent conditions like osteoporosis and osteoarthritis, keeping you moving well into old age. First benefit: walking reduces liver fat. A study showed that brisk walking is as effective as jogging in reducing liver fat. So if you've been diagnosed with fatty liver, it's time to lace up those sneakers. 5 tips to stay motivated and make walking a habit. Not convinced yet? Let's talk about staying motivated and making walking a routine. Tip 5. Reduce barriers. Keep your walking gear in sight. Set out your sneakers and clothes the night before, making it easy to start walking in the morning. Remove any obstacles that make it harder for you to begin. Tip 4. Don't break the chain. Create a streak. Get a calendar. And every day you walk, mark it with a red X. As the days go by, you won't want to break the streak. Soon, you'll find walking has become part of your daily life. Tip 3. Use walking to connect. Walking can be a great way to connect with others. Invite a friend, partner, or colleague to join you. Or use the time to listen to podcasts, audiobooks, or videos to learn something new while walking. Tip 2. Find gaps in your day. Don't have time? Try finding pockets of time throughout the day to fit in a walk. Break it into shorter sessions if needed. 2 15-minute walks or 3 10-minute sessions are great alternatives. Tip 1. Use social media for accountability. Post about your walking goals on social media. Make your goals public and update your progress to stay accountable. If you don't want to go public, find an online group or partner to share your journey. In conclusion, walking is one of the easiest and most effective exercises you can do for your health. With consistency and a bit of planning, it can become a habit that transforms your life. Did you enjoy the video? Don't forget to share this knowledge with others and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.